So sa video natin ngayon, we'll be answering a problem request from one of our members. So this is a simple curve problem, horizontal curve. So we have a horizontal curve is to connect a back tangent bearing south 42 degrees 30 minutes west to a forward tangent bearing north 70 degrees west. If the degree of curve is 3 degrees 45 minutes and the tangents intersect at station 50 plus 22.30, determine the deflection angle for station 57 plus 0. Use arc basis and assume English units. So for the arc basis, one station is along the arc, yan. And then notice na we have to use English units. Yan. For English units, one station is equal to 100 feet. So yan yung gagamitin natin. Sige, so let's try to draw the figure. We have a back tangent bearing daw of 42 degrees 30 minutes west. So let's draw across. Yan. Tapos south, from south, move tayo ng west by 42 degrees 30 minutes. So let's say we have this line. Ayan. So this is 42 degrees 30 minutes. Ayan. And then forward tangent bearing is north 70 degrees west. So let's say we have our forward tangent here for a while. And this is our forward tangent. Let's try to draw across again. Yan. Tapos north going to west. Yan, kasi north west 70 degrees daw. So we have this line. Connect natin siya. So this angle is from north 70 degrees west. Yan. We have to move by 70 degrees. Sige, so if this is 70, yan, then this would be 20, diba? With respect to the horizontal. Therefore, with respect to the horizontal, sa side na to, yan, this would be 20 from the horizontal line. 20 yan. And then, if we have to extend this, paganyan, then what is this angle? Yan. Diba, this angle would be equivalent to this one. Since this is with respect to the horizontal from this line. So, this angle would be this angle, right? So, ano yung angle na to? This angle would be 90 minus 42 degrees 30 minutes. So, we would have 47.5 or 47 degrees 30 minutes. So, ito rin. And so, the total intersection angle would be 47 degrees 30 minutes plus 20. So, we would have 67 degrees 30 minutes. I hope agree lang. Ito yung I natin essentially. Sige, so ito na yung mafo-form natin. And then, diba, for simple curves, galing lang yan sila lahat sa circle. So, let's say, this is our arc. Anong kulay ba? Ito na lang. Let's say, ito yung arc natin. Wait lang. Draw na lang ako ng circle. Yan. Erase ko na lang to. Ayan. So, ito na yung simple curve natin. Then, this would be the point of tangency. Saka, ito rin. Ayan, point of tangency. So, the center of the circle is, let's say, andito. Let's say, andyan. So, we can draw a line up to here. Saka, ito rin. Ayan. So, by our concept, the radius is always perpendicular to the tangent line. So, this is perpendicular. Saka, ito rin. And then, we can actually divide this into two shapes. Two triangles. So, we can draw a line from the point of intersection patungo dito. Sige. Yan. And then, this is the radius. Ano ba yung kailangan natin? We need the deflection angle for station 57 plus 0. Ano pa yung binigay? Binigay yung degree of curve. So, using this one, makukuha natin yung radius ng curve. So, we have to use arc basis. So, we need to relate the total circumference to the total revolution, 360 degrees, equals one station is to a certain angle. So, one station, again, for English units, 100 feet siya. So, we have 100 and then divided by the degree of curve. 3 degrees, 45 minutes. So, masosolve na natin yung R. So, we have 2 pi R 2 pi times x divided by 360 equals 100 divided by 3 degrees 45 minutes. So, solving R, we have 1527.89. Sorry, not in degrees. This is in feet. Sige, so this would be I over 2. Yan. If this is I, the intersection angle, this would be half of that. So this is also I divided by 2. So galing to sa plane geometry natin na discussions. This is half of this. Yan. Sige, so 1527.89 feet. Makukuha na natin yung length ng tangent. So, just consider, papakita ko sa inyo ano yung triangle na pwede nyo i-consider. This is the tangent distance from here up to here. Yan, measured along this line. Yan, sabihin natin T. So, tangent of I over 2, diba, this is opposite over adjacent. What is opposite to this angle? Opposite to this one is the length of the tangent, T. Diba? So, T divided by R. The radius is, ito na, yung nakuha natin, 1527.89. Lagay ko na lang So, the tangent distance would be tangent, and then ano yung I natin? Our I is 67 degrees 30 minutes. Ilalagay ko na lang din. Ayan. 30 minutes divided by 2 equals the tangent distance divided by the radius. So the tangent distance is 1020.9. This is in feet. Na bakit kailangan natin yan? Kailangan natin yan since what's given, the station given is the point of intersection. Yan. Ito. Binigay yung stationing niyan. So this is 50 plus 22.3. PI. Station of PI. Point of intersection of the tangents. 50 plus 22.3. Yan. To get the station of PC kasi, diba, this is PC, while this is PT. Stationing of PC can be taken by the stationing of PI minus the tangent distance. So, stationing of PC equals stationing of PI minus the tangent distance. So 50 plus 22.3 minus masyadong malaki yung natin, tangent distance. But we have to resolve this into gagawin natin siyang 10 plus 20.9. Now, bakit 10 plus 20.9? Take note na yung isang station natin would be 100 feet. So, we have to divide this by 100. So, 1020.9 divided by 100. Essentially, merong 10 na whole value. So, lagay ko na lang 10. And then yung matitira, 0.209, multiply mo lang by 100. So, you have 20.9. So, kaya 10 plus 20.9. So, add mo lang yung dalawa. This would be, not add pala, minus pala. Sorry. We have 50 minus 10. So, this is 40. Then, plus 22.3 minus 20.9, which is 1.4. But essentially, you can just write ito na lang. Para flexible talaga, pwede mo siyang isulat as 50 times 100, we have 5,000. So, para yung 5,000, 22.3. Ano kasi yan? 50 times 1,000 plus the excess. Then, minus 10 times 100, 1,000. 1,000 plus 20.9, we have 1020.9. Ayan. So, minus mo lang yung dalawa. So, 4,001.4. And then, this can be rewritten as, divide mo lang to by 100, we have 40. Excess is 1.4. Sige, so ito na yung stationing ng PC. Now, to solve LC, we can use the whole figure. So, for LC, 2 pi r is to 360. So, the radius is ito, 1527.89. And then, divided by 360 degrees equals the total length of curve divided by I. Diba kasi yung central angle total niyan is equivalent to I. So LC divided by 67 degrees 30 minutes. Or pwede rin na, hindi kasi natin yan kailangan. What we need is the deflection angle for station 57. So, let's just consider this as a certain point. 57, let's say, andito yan. Hindi pa natin alam saan siya talaga, but let's just assume na andito siya. Yan, let's label this as point A. So, going to point A, meron tayong length of curve. This one. Now, we are given the station. The stationing of point A is 57. Ito. Yan yung kailangan kasi natin. So, 57 plus 0. Tapos yung PC, nakuha na natin yung stationing niya. This is 40 plus 1.4. Yan, ito yung station niya. So this length, the length of the curve would be 57 minus PC. Diba? I hope agree lang. So, gawin ko na lang yan. Length of curve going to A is to a certain angle. So LCA is to a certain angle which is twice of the deflection angle. So sabihin na lang natin na theta. So then, what is LCA? LCA is the length of curve going to point A, for which the stationing is 57 plus 0 according to the given. So LCA would be 57, yan, or 57 times 1,000 magiging 5,700. Then minus 40 plus 1.4, 40 times 100 magiging 4,000 plus 1.4. So 4,001.4 pala yan siya. And so solving the deflection angle, I mean twice the deflection angle, we have 2 pi times 1527.89 divided by 360 equals 5,700 minus 4,001.4 divided by the twice the deflection angle. So this would be 63.697. This is degrees. Now, ito yung figure natin na. Nasa discussion natin yan. If this is the deflection angle, then this would be twice the deflection angle. Yan. But yung label ko dyan is theta. Yan. So, pwede rin na let's draw a line here. Yan. Iba kasi yung label ko dito sa problem natin. So, this would be perpendicular. Yan. Now, this angle, let's say D, this is half of this angle. I mean, wait lang. Hindi pala ako nakapag-draw ng line. Ito. Ayan. So, this is theta. Sana solve natin. Or pwede rin na gawin ko na lang yung 2 theta na lang din. I-match na lang natin yung labels ha. So this is 2 theta while this is theta. Yan. So this is the deflection angle. So the deflection angle is half of this. Divide by 2, 31.84. Magiging 31 degrees 50 minutes. And then lagay na lang din natin yung seconds. So 55.31 seconds. So ito na yung sagot natin. Sige. Again ha, just recall this figure. Ito. Twice of the deflection angle if this is the deflection angle.